Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents what is Kanban? Why should you adopt the Kanban method? The Japanese word, Kanban, means visual board, or a sign, and it has been used as a process definition since the early 1960s. Kanban is a workflow management method that's used to define, manage, and improve a variety of services. It aims to help the user better visualize their work and goals, whilst maximizing efficiency and improving continuously. Increased visibility of the flow. The basic idea of Kanban is visualizing every piece of work. This way, the Kanban board turns into a central informational hub, and everyone is on the same page. All tasks are visible and they never get lost, which brings transparency to the whole work process. Improved delivery speed. Kanban offers multiple ways for project managers to closely monitor and make informed analyses of the distribution of work, with a clear view over the work items completed for a certain period of time. Alignment between business goals and execution. Promoting transparency, encouraging feedback, and regular review meetings. Kanban practices enable aligning the company's strategic goals with team's day-to-day work. This alignment between the business direction and execution enhances the agility of an organization. Improved predictability. Once you create your own Kanban board and begin accumulating work items on it, you will be able to understand your process in depth with flow metrics. Analyzing the amount of time the tasks spend in your workflow cycle time will enable you to improve your predictions on how much work you can deliver in the future. Understanding your delivery rate consistency will make your forecasts more accurate, and you can base your decisions on historical data. A improved ability to manage scale and dependencies. The intrinsic Kanban practice to visualization can also be applied when it comes to mapping and managing dependencies. Managing dependencies provides both insights on the present state of a workflow and ideas for future improvement opportunities. It reduced waste output. The origin of the Kanban method implies that work should only be done when there is a demand. In other words, Kanban navigates you to reduce waste by working solely on tasks that are needed at present. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.